Daily routine English sentences for beginners. Listen and repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from New York. I am from New York. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? What time is it? What time is it? It's 11:55. It's 11:55. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? It's over there. It's over there. How much is this? How much is this? It costs plus the price. It costs. I like this. I like this. I don't like that. I don't like that. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. No, I don't have any pets. No, I don't have any pets. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? I like reading. I like reading. I like playing soccer. I like playing soccer. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. No, I don't like music. No, I don't like music. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends.